Hey everyone, my name is Kathryn. Thank you as always for watching my channel. If you're new around here, you should know that I do a lot of packing here on my channel. And welcome to another Pack With Me video. Today I am filming a casual Pack With Me video. Welcome to another Pack With Me video, and welcome to another packing video. I'm rocking my signature high ponytail look today, so you know what that means. It's time to get packing. And today I want to talk to you guys about my travel wardrobe essentials, aka what to pack for any vacation. I went through the archive of my Pack With Me videos and I identified the top 10 items that I like to pack with me when I travel. These are the tried and true items that I wear over and over and over when I'm on vacation or on a trip. I'll focus on travel clothing items for mild weather, so not the hottest of days or the coldest of days, but kind of that in-between weather. I really hope this video gives you guys some wardrobe inspiration for your next trip, and if it does, please be sure to give the video a thumbs up so I know that you enjoyed it, and definitely subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so already and you enjoy packing related videos. Let's go ahead and get started with my 10 travel wardrobe essentials. My first travel wardrobe essential is a white t-shirt. There's nothing more versatile than a white tee. It looks so crisp and clean, and a t-shirt like this can be paired with any type of bottom while traveling. Pants, shorts, skirts, you name it. If I had to recommend any single item for your travel wardrobe, find yourself a nice cotton white tee. I'm partial to the slightly oversized fit, like this t-shirt that I have from Everlane, but find a fit that works for you, and trust me, you'll get so much wear out of this on your travels and in your day-to-day life. Next up is a striped shirt. A stripe is a great option for traveling because it can add more interest to your outfits versus a solid top, but it's still a very safe and easy print to wear. I think a black and white stripe is super timeless and easy to match with any bottoms, much like a white tee. I have a long sleeve and a short sleeve black and white striped t-shirt in my wardrobe, and both of these are from Everlane. I also have a V-neck striped shirt from Madewell that I like to bring on a lot of my warm weather travels. Another travel wardrobe essential for me is a denim button-up shirt. You guys, when I purchased this denim shirt from an express factory store several years ago, I had no idea it would become such a staple in my wardrobe, but I get so much wear out of this top, especially while traveling. The shape of this shirt is very traditional and polished looking with the buttons and the collar, but the denim fabric really casualizes the shirt, so it's really easy to dress it up or dress it down. Plus, the fabric doesn't wrinkle when I pack it for trips, so it's my go-to non-t-shirt type top for traveling. I recently included a pullover fleece in my winter wardrobe essentials video, and I would definitely consider this item to be a travel wardrobe essential as well. I love throwing a cozy pullover on over my pajamas in the morning after I wake up when I'm on vacation, or if I'm just lounging around in the hotel or Airbnb and going for a chill outfit vibe, a pullover is definitely the way to go. This one from Patagonia is a little bit heavier, so it's great for my chilly weather trips, and I have a lightweight pullover from North Face as well that works great when the weather is a little bit warmer. For outerwear pieces, first I recommend a jean jacket. This is such a great option for traveling because it's a perfect mid-weight. You can layer it over a t-shirt and not be too warm, or you can wear it over a heavier sweater, add a scarf and a beanie, and you're nice and cozy. A jean jacket is pretty easy to pack away in a suitcase too because the fabric isn't too bulky. I purchased my denim jacket from a Levi's store in New York City a couple years ago, and it's probably my favorite jacket. It's such a cool and effortless fit, and it will forever be a staple in my travel capsule wardrobe. Another outerwear piece I recommend for your travel wardrobe is a utility jacket. What's nice about this is that you can wear it as a very intentional part of your outfit, kind of like a top, but obviously you can just wear it as a layering piece as well. I love this tan utility jacket from Old Navy because it's very easy to tie around my waist when I'm traveling. And I also have this deep olive green colored jacket from J. Crew Factory that I wear a ton in the fall. bottoms, I recommend a pair of no belt blue jeans. And when I travel, I like to wear a new top every day, but there have definitely been some trips I've taken where I only pack 1 to 2 pair of jeans for the entire duration of the trip because I'm fine wearing denim for multiple wears before I have to wash it. This is my most tried and true pair of skinny jeans, you guys. It's a pair of Levi's slimming skinny high-waisted jeans. And what's great about these is that they are nice and snug around my waist. I don't need a pack of belts when I wear them. And even if I wear them for several days, the fabric doesn't stretch out. I definitely encourage you guys to find a signature pair of skinny blue jeans that fit you really well and you don't need a belt to wear them. And you'll for sure want to bring them on all of your trips. I also recommend a pair of black leggings for your travel wardrobe. I travel a lot via car when I go back home to Minnesota to visit friends and family, and leggings are a must for those 4-hour car rides to stay nice and comfortable. When traveling, you can wear leggings by day if you are going for a comfy look, or you can repurpose them for exercise or even wear them to bed. They're a versatile item to travel with, and a simple pair of black leggings can serve as a great base for more laid-back outfits on vacation. If you are going to bring one pair of shoes on a trip, I recommend it be a pair of comfortable sneakers. I'm talking about a pair of shoes that won't make your feet hurt after wearing them several days in a row. Travel is not the time to experiment with wardrobe items because you want to actually be comfortable and confident in the few items that you're able to bring on your trip, and this applies most to shoes. I love bringing my black Nike tennis shoes with me when I travel because they're broken in, they're extremely comfortable and supportive, and the black color matches with everything. Similarly, these linen colored pair of Vans are a great option for warm weather vacations because the light color, again, matches with all of my outfits, and they are also extremely comfortable to walk around in. Last but not least, you guys need some slipper socks in your travel wardrobe. My friend got these for me for my birthday a few years ago, and let me tell you, they are so convenient to travel with. I don't like stepping on hotel or Airbnb floors with bare feet because they're kind of germy, and also I just really like for my feet to be nice and cozy. And these slipper socks are extremely comfortable. They hardly take up any room at all in my suitcase, and I can put them in the washing machine when I'm done with my trip. Go to Target, fork over like $5 for a pair of slipper socks, and trust me, you guys will thank me. That is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Leave me a comment below letting me know what your travel wardrobe essentials are. Also, I encourage you to follow me on Instagram if you haven't done so already. You can find me at It's Kathryn Mary. I'll definitely be posting some travel wardrobe outfits because I am going on vacation next week and I am so excited. Thank you for tuning into my channel. Your support means a lot, and I hope you guys have a wonderful rest of your day. I'll catch you later. Bye.